In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see sync status badges in Google Drive for desktop on Windows. If you've been noticing that the little icon overlays that indicate the sync status of your files aren't showing up, this guide is for you. By the end of this video, you'll be able to easily track the status of your files directly in Windows File Explorer. Let's dive right in. First things first, we need to ensure that Google Drive for desktop is running on your computer. To check this, navigate to your system tray. This is usually located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Look for the Google Drive icon, which typically looks like a small, multicolored triangle. If you see it there, that means your Google Drive for desktop application is running and ready to use. Next, open File Explorer. This is your file management application that helps you browse through your files and folders on your computer. Once File Explorer is open, navigate to your Google Drive folder. This might be a folder specifically labeled Google Drive, or it could be any other folder you've chosen to sync with Google Drive. As you browse through your Google Drive folder, you should notice icon overlays on your files. These overlays play a crucial role in showing you the sync status of each file. For instance, a cloud icon indicates that the file is available online only and hasn't been downloaded to your local storage. On the other hand, a green check mark signifies that the file is fully synced and available offline. These visual indicators are extremely handy as they give you a quick, at-a-glance update on the status of your files without the need to dig into any menus. If you're not seeing these icons, don't worry. There are a couple of steps you can take to troubleshoot this issue. First, let's make sure sync status badges are enabled in your Drive for Desktop settings. Click on the Google Drive icon in your system tray once more. Then, click on the gear icon to access Preferences, followed by selecting Settings. Here you might find an option for displaying file sync status icons. It's important to note, however, that in recent versions of Google Drive for Desktop, this specific setting might not be explicitly displayed, as it's often enabled by default. However, if you still don't see the icons after checking the settings, the next likely cause is Windows itself. Windows has a limitation on the number of overlay icons it can display at any given time. If you've reached this limit, it might explain why the icons aren't appearing. By following these steps, you should now be able to manage and track the sync status of your Google Drive files effortlessly. Remember, keeping an eye on these indicators will ensure you're always aware of the availability of your files, whether they're online or available offline. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.